Hi guys, it's Aneka and welcome to my channel, Craft Eat Repeat. So today's video is a little bit different than the ones that I normally do for you guys because on top of these DIYs being beautiful DIY home decor that you can do for your home using any technique that you want to use, if you want to kind of scale it up, mass produce these and have them be beautiful, easy, affordable, and quick to make so that you can turn a quick buck and sell them, these are the DIYs for you. So I want to say thank you to my sponsor today, which is Cricut. I used my Cricut Joy to do these and I popped them out like one after another, and I was really excited because that means if I wanted to take them to a craft show or something like that, I could have some beautiful items to sell in no time flat. So if you've had a Cricut just kind of sitting around since Christmas or even months and months and you've been intimidated to use it, this is the video for you. I promise you can make money using your Cricut. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Everyone hit that notification bell so you'll be ready when my next video comes out. And when it's over, head down to the comments and let me know which DIY was your favorite, or let other people know what are your favorite projects to make and sell so that other people who are doing craft shows this spring and summer can kind of get their ideas going, their creative juices flowing, and we can share ideas with one another. Okay guys, it's time to craft. Whether you're DIYing your home decor or looking for ideas for items to sell, my first tip is to check Pinterest. Now you can look on there and see what's trending, see what people are looking in stores to find and buy for their homes, and then you can make those same things at a lower price so that you can sell them and make a profit. Now I saw these little vases all over Pinterest and I think they're adorable. I can understand why they're trending and why people want them in their homes. And I even found this little set which was completely adorable and looked just like some bottles that I saw at the Target dollar spot. So I grabbed these for only $3, so you can sell them as a set or you could even sell them one by one, making each one $1. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out, and using my Cricut, I'm just going to make a decal for each one and put it right on top. Now, all of the projects I'm going to show you today are extremely easy, but I think create some beautiful home decor that people would love to purchase. So these are all just going to be things that you can make right out of the box when you open up your Cricut. Now, if you're a beginner and you really are just opening up your box, I will be sure to leave a link in the description box below to a video where I explain exactly how to set things up, how to put your vinyl on your projects, and other little tips and tricks. But for now, I am just going to let you know that I'll leave the names of each and every font and the graphics and the materials that I'm using in these DIYs down in the description box as well, so that you can recreate them to make and sell at home. Once I have my decals on, I'm ready to spray it with this Rust-Oleum triple thick glaze, making it look just like glazed pottery. For $1 a piece, these are adorable little bud vases that would look great on any tiered tray. Another Pinterest-inspired idea for projects you can make and sell are these little trinket trays. Now, I love these for putting my rings in when I'm washing dishes and things like that around the house. Now, I found these at the Target dollar spot for only $1 a piece, and I had some, actually this is removable vinyl that I just had a little bit of extra from a project and needed to use up. So I put it on my Cricut and I cut out some cute little sayings, and then I'm just going to apply it to my trinket tray. Now, I am going to use that same Rust-Oleum spray paint on this trinket tray. So the fact that I'm using removable vinyl won't matter because I'm going to seal it in. And this is a great way to use up some of those scraps and really get the most out of your Cricut supplies. Now, just to give this a little bit more glam and be able to make it a little more money when I go to resell it, I'm just going to use some gold acrylic paint and go all around the edges. I really think this just elevates the look of it and makes it look a little bit more glam. Once that's done and I've got all of my designs finished, I'm going to take them outside, cover them with my triple thick again, and I've got these gorgeous little trinket trays ready to sell. Now, tip number 2 when you're trying to think about projects to make and sell is to remember that people love their plants. If you know anyone like me who's recently just discovered that they can, in fact, keep plants alive and they've gone a little bit crazy with it, then you'll know that people will walk around and if they see a pot or something plant related that really catches their eye, they will buy it even if they have a ton already at home. So I found these little pots at Walmart. They were only $2.50 a piece and they're gorgeous. I love the design of them. I love the sleek whiteness of them and they're perfect blanks for making some pots. So I just printed out a decal on my Cricut and I'm going to add it to the outside of my pot. Now you can search Pinterest or Google for any kind of plant related memes that would be funny and put them on your pot and you have a little set ready to sell. You can also use some of these blanks from Target Dollar Spot or Dollar Tree, wherever you find a good deal, to make some bud vases or a propagation station. Now, people are trying to use their plants to sprout little baby plants, and a lot of them use water to put their plants in. And so you can really just decorate an empty vase that looks beautiful and that would really look nice in someone's home if they were trying to propagate their plants. I'm going for a boho feel on these vases and I think they came out beautifully. Once you fill them with water, they'll look gorgeous, and I love things that can do double duty. So I can use these to propagate plants at home, and when I'm not using them, I can just put some faux buds in there and they'll just be beautiful decoration. Tip number 3 when you're deciding what DIY projects you want to do to make and sell is to check those discount stores to buy your blanks and then personalize them. Now, I love to look at Dollar Tree, the Dollar Spot at Target, Dollar General to find blanks that are gorgeous, affordable, and they're seasonal. They've already done the research. They know what things people want, and you can use those things to personalize. And people will pay premium money just to see their name or their kid's name or something that's special to them on a piece of DIY decor or something functional like these water bottles. Now, I got these water bottles for my kids and I want to kind of make a little pack that I can take along in the car with them. So I'm putting their nicknames on each one of these water bottles. And then I also found this little pouch, which is extremely cute. Fun. I love the colors, very trendy looking, and I'm just going to put snacks right on front. Now when we're ready to go in the car, they can just each grab their water and their snacks and they'll be ready to hit the road. Now this would be a very easy project for you to personalize for your customers around the holidays, back to school, anything like that, and they will love it. Okay, so of all those DIYs, I have to say that those little trinket trays are adorable. They were easy to make and they look really, really nice. I mean, I paid $1 for them, put some vinyl on it and some spray paint, and it just really like elevated them. So I love those. But my kids' favorites were those water bottles. I am telling you guys, personalization, customization, all those sort of things that you can do, people really can take an item that you didn't pay much for and really just kind of flip it to something that is really going to be in demand. So head down to the comments and let me know which DIY was your favorite. So for the treat today, I'm doing something just as quick, just as easy, only 2 ingredients, but you guys, this is one of my favorite treats to make for myself, so I'm sharing it with you. All right, guys, it's time to eat. So here's a quick idea for some nourishment while you're crafting. I'm going to take some whipped cream cheese, about 8 ounces, or you can use a block of plain cream cheese. You just want to make sure it's at room temperature or else the final product does end up a little lumpy. But I'm not going to lie, you guys, those are some delicious lumps and I would still eat it any day of the week. Next, I'm going to take a jar of marshmallow fluff and I'm going to add it in with my cream cheese. And once it's all in there, I'm just going to mix it until it's well combined. Now, I've seen some people add whipped cream to this, which would also taste really good and give it a little more of a whipped, softer flavor, but I love this the way it is. It's cheesy, it's sweet, it's perfect on crackers, pretzels, any kind of fruit. My kids love this as a fruit dip, and you're not going to regret it. I hope you enjoyed today's DIYs. Don't forget to head down to the comments and let me know which one was your favorite or if you have any other ideas. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. Thank you so much again to today's sponsor, Cricut, and I'll see you guys next time when we repeat it all again.